How to slow down text animation in CapCut. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your device, and as you can see, I have this text. Simply click on the text, and on the right side, you will find animation. Click on animation at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on animation, you'll find different animations. Select the animation you want to add. And to slow down, you'll find duration at the bottom. Make sure the duration is increased. Drag the slider to the right side to increase the duration. The more duration you increase, the slower your text becomes. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to slow down text animation in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.